In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI on the X app, updated for 2025, in a quick and easy way. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate X app efficiently and make the most out of Grok AI's features. To begin your journey, open your preferred web browser. We recommend using a commonly used one like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for the best experience. Once you have your browser open, navigate to Google. This is your starting point for accessing the X app. In the search bar, type in X to locate the website. Now, you may see a host of search results, but we're specifically looking for the official X website. Click on it to proceed. This step takes you directly to XApp's homepage, where you can explore various features and functionalities. Once you're on the XApp interface, take a look at the left part of the screen. Here, you will find a navigation menu. Scroll your eyes down this menu until you spot the Grok icon. It's conveniently located just below the messages icon. Clicking on the Grok icon is your gateway to engaging with Grok AI. This is where you'll enter into the Grok interface, ready to start interacting with this powerful tool. Now that you're in the Grok section of the X app, it's time to enter a prompt. Let's use an example prompt like NBA trades update. You're free to type any topic or question you want insights about. Be clear and concise with your prompt to get the best results. After typing your prompt, look for the Submit button. It's important to remember that this action is what kickstarts the AI's processing power. By clicking the Submit button, you're instructing Grok AI to analyze your prompt and generate a thoughtful response. Finally, once you've clicked Submit, you'll receive a response generated by Grok AI. This concluding step marks the completion of your task using Grok AI inside X app. The AI will provide detailed and informative answers based on the prompt you entered. You're done. You can now review the information provided, explore further queries, or revisit this process anytime you wish to utilize the AI's capabilities. With these instructions, you're now ready to explore and use Grok AI on the X app seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in and happy navigating.